Hi, good day all. This is Asa from MintzTrinkets, and thank you very much for joining me for today's episode. We have this really cute envelope pouch, storage pouch that you can put your items in, and this is made using a gift bag, popcorn bag, and a piece of lace. And this is a tiny cute charm that we have added in front of our pouch. This is so quick, so easy, so economical, and so useful for storing whatever items you wish, sending it to a pen pal, even keeping it, giving it as a gift, etc. So stay with me and let's get started. The pouch opens up like this, the clutch with a Velcro, and inside it, it's an accordion fold. I have here some charms, some tags. This is one of the vintage letters that we made in our earlier episode. Another tag. And this is one of the stationery with the decorative doily edge that we make. And this is so quick, so easy, so economical. And over here I have this cute purple and white polka dot gift bag, and I have here 5 regular popcorn bag. You can use whichever size you have. Firstly, I'm going to cut off the straps from the gift bag because we will not be using that. So just snip it away. Now we're going to fold our gift bag, including this part, fold flat into half, just like this. We're going to take the 5 popcorn bag, place it in the center. Now this is going to be an accordion fold, so we need this side because it's already stuck on, and we're just going to cut the edge and the top of this size to fit snugly inside our pouch. So we're just going to cut it. I'm going to fold it so I know exactly where I'll be cutting. We have all our bags folded. It has such a lovely paper texture to it. You can open it. And this is where you'll be doing your storage for your items. There's going to be an open part here. I'm going to glue it down. So we have this closed. And I'm going to do this with all. And now we're going to attach the 5 bags together. We're just going to put in the edges and the center and attach one of the other bags right on top. Press it down with a bone folder so it's glued together, and we're going to glue all of them together. I'm going to measure it inside, ensure it fits. And it does. And now for the inside, we're just going to use an additional sheet of the popcorn bag that we have cut, which is this here. We're going to cut off this strip and cut off this strip, and we will be left with this piece of paper. We're going to fold this in half, and we're going to attach this inside the fold of our flap. We're going to stick it down so it will be able to fold over like this. This will be our flap. We want this edge of the fold for the lace to be like this, and then we're going to stick it down with our Fabi-Tac and fold over this pretty edge to the side. Now we're going to take our paper, our popcorn bags, and stick it onto here and stick it onto here. I'm just going to place some glue. Place a generous amount because we want it stuck down properly. Press it down with the broom folder and allow the side to dry. And now we're just going to add a little embellishment in front. This is just a little purple leaf. It's a purple iridescent butterfly. This is the other side of our dot that will attach onto this. So we're just going to attach it on, fold it over, and press it down to where we want it. And we can just hang it like a cute little dangle. And this is it. And this is it. This is our completed cute little pouch. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. Thank you very much for joining me.